And I've gotten most of the benefit they get from an indirect standpoint, meaning something triggered something and boom, they started to Google more, they went through this rabbit hole. Today they're multimillionaires. Fact. Okay, so and that's usually how it happens. Okay, now is there a direct benefit to obviously invest in a course? There is direct benefit. There is a structure. Again, I have 1,000 videos here. Some of them are in series, some of them are in a playlist where they are in direct order of each other, and you can absolutely execute on them, on that information. Yes, some of them are like that, but majority of them are individual topics that if you watch, there's a good chance that if you watch 25 videos, you may even be more confused. Okay, but the good of a course is that it's a course. You engage in a course and you see it all the way to the end. You focus on that one course until success. Focus. That's literally where the acronym focus. So do you need to pay $1,000 for training? Of course not. Absolutely not. Okay, check this out. Okay, I've written 2 books on this topic: Real Estate Wholesaling, Smart Real Estate Wholesaling, and Real Estate Money Secrets. Okay, and you can download them absolutely for free right now. The link should be somewhere around this video, maybe in the description. You can download them for free. Okay, and you can use this book to absolutely take yourself to the next level. You can increase your net worth of everything I shared for free. On this particular channel, we're talking about, do you need to pay $1,000 for training? No, there are over 1,000. As a matter of fact, let me check right now. Okay, there are 1,000 videos. Let me tell you. I want to be able to tell you upfront, because I want you to be clear here, and I also want you to know that I am not just a random saint, and I'm doing this just because. No, this is content creation, and it's a big part of my business model. Okay, so I absolutely do benefit from giving you free information that you can absolutely use to make millions of dollars, literally. Okay, so I do benefit from that. Okay, let me see here. All that talks. Let's see. I'm about to tell you. There's 1,168 videos. At least 1,000 of them are on the topic real estate wholesaling and real estate in general, right? And you can watch just 10 of those videos and you can absolutely take off. As a matter of fact, if you go to the homepage of this channel, there are 2 different free courses on there, right? So this question of do you need to pay $1,000 for training? I think I've answered that question already, right? 2 free books, 2 free courses, tons of information on YouTube on how to flip your first home, on how to create your first wholesale real estate deal, right? Tons of everywhere, tons of information if you just simply Google it, right? However, I am pre-recording this video. You could be watching this video 10 years later, right? So it cost me the next 7 minutes, maybe the next 5 minutes here, right here, to share this information. There's a very important information I want to share with you here, right? It cost me time, a little bit of time, less than 10 minutes to record this, and it to continue to work for me, which is essentially also create exposure for me, right? Create exposure for the existing 1,000 videos that we have on here. So it's absolutely orchestrated on how we create content. But the real answer is that no, you don't have to pay $1,000 for training. Now, is there a benefit to paying $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $10,000, investing more than $25,000 in your own training, coaching, and mentorship like I have done, right? Well, more than $100,000, honestly, is there a benefit to that? Maybe that's what we should be talking about, right? Is there a benefit to investing that much money in yourself? I think that's what we should be talking about. And the answer is yes, okay? Is there direct benefits? I don't think there's direct benefits. I'm just going to be straight up honest with you. There are indirect benefits for the most part. When you invest thousands of dollars in training yourself, in the right type of mentorship and coaching for yourself, there are tons, like literally millions of dollars worth of indirect benefits when you do so. Okay, What I share with you in any of my classes directly may not have an impact on you, may not, okay? Some of my best students have gotten most of the benefit they get from an indirect standpoint, meaning something triggered something and boom, they started to Google more, they went through this rabbit hole. Today they're multimillionaires. Fact, okay? So, and that's usually how it happens, okay? Now, is there a direct benefit to obviously invest in a course? There is direct benefit. There is a structure. Again, I have 1,000 videos here. Some of them are in series, some of them are in a playlist where they are in direct order of each other, and you can absolutely execute on them, on that information. Yes, some of them are like that, but majority of them are individual topics that if you watch, there's a good chance that if you watch 25 videos, you may even be more confused, okay? But the good of a course is that it's a course. You engage in a course and you see it all the way to the end. You focus on that one course unto success. Focus. That's literally where the acronym focus came from, okay? So that's a benefit right there. The fact that it's one course and you're following it step by step, stage by stage. The benefit of a mentorship is that you have somebody, mentorship, coaching, you have somebody you can send a text message, you can get on the phone, and they can answer a quick answer for you, right? That's priceless. You cannot put a value on that, because one mistake can cost you your whole livelihood, can cost you your marriage if you spend the wrong type of money in the wrong business, right? So you cannot put no value on top of that. So I can't even put $1,000 on that, okay? So it goes back to this question that we're trying to answer here. Do you have to pay $1,000 for training on how to learning how to wholesale real estate? Do you have to pay $1,000 for training? No, you don't. Absolutely not. Okay, is there a benefit to paying money to invest in yourself? Yes, absolutely yes. There's direct and there's indirect benefits to doing that. Okay, now depending on where you're coming from in life, some of us need a structured coaching and mentorship, okay, because we tend to be more so in our creative. Once we get one idea, we get creative, we're all over the place, and we have a hard time seeing something all the way to the end. That is a negative. Even though I had more information, that is a negative, because I can't get to the promised land because I have all of this information all over the place, right? But when you're following a structured one course, right, you are able to stay in that one course until success. Some of us appreciate that, and we don't mind paying $1,000 for training. But the key thing there, the keyword phrase, is that we don't mind. We don't have to, but we don't mind, because it saves us time by doing so. All right, so hopefully that was helpful.